Hi, it's me Hesha, your fashion and beauty blogger at Pinkvilla, and today you're in my house because I'm actually stepping out for an event, and in this scorching heat in the summers, I have some holy grail products that I absolutely swear by, which I'm going to share with you all. So if you guys want to know what are these products that I swear by during the summers, keep on watching. Now, I think this product is definitely not a surprise. It's a sunscreen. All of us have a sunscreen. You have a sunscreen. I have a sunscreen. But I think what matters is how many of us use this sunscreen. I have a sunscreen from La Shield, which is a minimum of SPF 40 and it has a PA++. Now, I know this could sound Greek and completely haywire, but let me tell you a little bit about sunscreens. Now, a sunscreen is important because it kind of makes a protective layer onto your skin, especially your face and neck, because I feel that's most exposed, and obviously your arms and like your legs. And when I'm stepping out of the house, sunscreen's so important. And with the PA++, only because it kind of protects you from the UVA, UVB, and that's like most important when it comes to like stepping out in the scorching heat and in the summers. One more quick tip, whenever you're using sunscreen, make sure that you kind of reapply it, because I feel the effect of sunscreen fades away and you need to kind of like dab it on from time to time and kind of replenish your skin with a little bit of moisture and protection from the sun. So that's what I do. I always have sunscreen on. And if you guys want to know what kind of sunscreens you should be using, first know your skin type. So if you have like oily skin, opt for a gel-based sunscreen or a mattifying sunscreen. If you have combination skin or maybe super dry skin, then you can use a creamy sunscreen. But always remember to use a sunscreen, just the way I'm using it all over myself. Now, after I'm done applying sunscreen all over my face, neck, body, etc., I obviously put makeup on. And the big question is that does makeup even last in summers? Like, no, I don't really think so. Which is why I always carry a compact with me, because it comes super handy. What it does is gives you like a quick fix, which is what I'm gonna do as we speak also right now. I'm just gonna like give myself a quick fix, and this is pretty much what I do even on the go whenever I'm sweating or I feel my makeup's caking or I'm looking ghostly in the summers. So I always carry like a blotting paper, or I have compact with me in case you don't have blotting paper, and this genuinely solves the purpose. It's awesome, it's just so mattifying, and make sure that you use a compact that kind of doesn't really clog your pores, because hey, it's gonna be hot outside, you are gonna be sweating, and with all of your moisturizer, sunscreen, makeup, you just don't want your compact to kind of like clutter your pores. So use a compact, of course, but that's something that suits your skin, and carry it with you as a quick fix. After the compact, definitely I get another fixer with me at all points, which has to be a rose water or any facial mist that you like. Why I prefer rose water is because it's not just super hydrating, but I feel this also works as an awesome makeup fixer. So, cheat code. When I'm not actually using a makeup fixer, because that can get like super expensive, I prefer using a facial mist, especially this one from Kama, because it's rose water. I mean, who doesn't like natural products, A, that smell good, B, that also cool out your skin kind of, you know, when you're out there traveling in the heat, or maybe if you need like a quick refreshing, you know, instant like skin breather, you always can like count on this one. So I swear by this one from Kama Ayurveda. And after that, I always like kind of go ahead and carry like an aloe vera gel or maybe like an aloe vera juice with me. This is something that you can totally skip using when you already have worn makeup, and probably use it under your makeup as a skin toner, or once you're back home, which is what kind of happens with me all the time. Whenever I am traveling or when I'm in the cab coming back from the event, I just feel so hot and so tired, and the immediate thing that I do is that I take like my wet wipe and kind of get rid of all the makeup from my face, and right after that I use just a little bit of my aloe vera juice all over my face, because it not just makes me feel super refreshed and hydrated, but at the same time I feel that I am like feeling soft and nice. And aloe, as we all know, gives you that mad cooling effect, and which is why I love it. So use it as a toner, use it as a makeup fixer, or just carry it in your bag if you need like a quick fix and give your skin a nice breather. Then I always have like two things that kind of go hand in hand, but I'm going to talk to you about this one first, because nobody likes to smell bad. Yes, I'm not even joking. I think if you ask me, I'm somebody who does not approve of like body odor, and I feel that it's super important to know that and forget putting yourself through the torture. Why would you want somebody else to like smell you bad, right? So I carry like an antiperspirant with me. This one's from Dove, and what I like about it is that it's not a deo. It's just something that can go on like a roll-on right there under your arms. Feel good about it, chill, and then you are not just sweat-proof, but you're also smelling good because these smell good. Second, they come super handy and they're very easily available at any store near you. And third, you can just put this in your bag, slip it on, and anytime you feel that you're kind of sweating a lot, all you need to do is just go to a hideout and like do your thing, come out, and then you're just good to go. So I always have these with me. I kind of feel that I want to use this also right after my shower, because in the summers, no matter whether I'm taking a hot water shower or if I'm taking a cold water shower, I do feel super hot and I'm always sweating. So I just use this immediately once I'm out of my shower and then kind of carry it in my purse. Now, let's not forget that after our body, face and all of that comes hair. Like, I did not know that hair also needs protection from the harmful rays of the sun, especially during summers and even otherwise. And thanks to the fact that I'm a blogger and I have like itchy hands and I keep testing out new products, I discovered something super magical, which is this awesome product which is called Kadivu. Yeah, like I'm trying really hard to get the pronunciation right because this is not an Indian brand, it's a Brazilian brand, but it is going to be available here in India. So I'm super excited to try this on. And why I got like super kicked about it is because this product has got UV protection. I mean, who ever thought that not just our skin but our hair also needs like UV protection? And I feel something like this is so awesome for people like us, like you and me, I'm sure, who step out, you know, during odd hours when the sun is at its peak or even otherwise, you know. So I thought, why not have something that not just styles my hair, but also at the same time is perfect to protect my hair from the harmful rays of the sun. Yay! So yeah, I think pretty much it. I don't think I can ever step out of my house without all of these holy grail products that I swear by to death in the scorching heat in this summer, and I think I'm quite ready to go and hit off for my event. Don't you think so? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed sharing my products with you all. If you have a favorite, make sure you pick one and let me know in the comment section below. And in case there are any products that you'd want me to try on, definitely comment and let us know so as I would get all itchy and excited to know what are your favorites as well. And yes, if you liked this video, make sure you share and subscribe to Pinkvilla. See you next time. Bye.